My girlfriend always jokes that she wants a luxury bag from Hermes as an anniversary gift. When I looked online at the price of a Birkin, I couldn't believe it. $100,000 for a bag is crazy. But what was even crazier was, instead of paying, I decided to surprise her and make my own. At first, I thought I was going to be pretty simple. I found blueprints online and cut them out. Then I went to a local leather store and picked out some awesome black dyed crocodile leather. The leather plus and tools cost around $400.
I finally understand why luxury companies charge so much for these handbags. There are so many steps involved, and each step can take a lifetime to master. There were a lot of times I felt like giving up, and I didn't realize how hard it was going to be as a first project. Considering it only cost $400 for materials.
Part 2 of hand making a Birkin for my girlfriend. The first problem I encountered was not being able to find leather that luxury companies use. When I went to the local leather store, they helped me pick out a high-quality crocodile leather that only cost $80. The next part was cutting out the shape, which I started by using a kitchen knife. Haha, bad idea. Probably the hardest part of the project was sewing all the pieces together. This is very challenging because every hole had to be hand punched, and sometimes I had to punch them twice because how thick the leather was. Then I had to push the needle through each hole and make sure they were all lined up. Since there were several hundred holes to go through, my fingers went numb, and I had to take a lot of breaks. Despite these challenges, and being 1 month late for our anniversary, the process was joyful, and I'm glad I could make something from scratch. It didn't turn out perfect, but that's all part of the process. How do you think it turned out? Hey, keep your eyes closed, okay?
I was coming home from my morning walk and I came across this cool tree with these sweet pine cones. Tried reaching one, couldn't reach, got my claw, pulled one down. I loved the shape of it, and of course I thanked my tree for its seeds. And I removed the pine needles, tried to remove the sap as well, and of course it was so sticky, stuck to everything, and I had to smell it, couldn't resist, yum. Then I scanned it and sent a copy of it to my computer. Then I created a 3D image of it and made it smooth and abstracted. I've never done anything like this before and didn't really know what to do with it, so I thought about maybe making a lamp, and I found this cool software to help me cut it. I went to the local library and used their laser cutter to cut all pieces. I brought everything home and assembled it, and learned that pine cone sap helps keep it alive when it's separated from the tree. Just like this light will bring me joy through the winter.